Here's everything you need to know about photo modes on Insta360 One RS. Click the icon in the lower left corner of the screen to select a shooting mode. Standard photo. Click the shutter button to shoot. HDR. Capture the action in stunning detail with true-to-life lighting. Burst. Shoot a burst of shots for epic action photos. Starlapse. Record the stars in the sky with sweeping time lapses. Night. Turn on night shot after dark. Shoot natural, vibrant photos even in low light. Interval. Set up your camera to take photos at timed intervals. Keep your camera still and capture time passing.